Apple MacBook Pro A1398 general service. So this was an Apple MacBook Pro A1398 general service. The fan cleaning, processor fans cleaning, and processor on processor the cooling sensor will be applied. So you can see the processor fans are cleaning. The dual processor cooling fans in this model. So dual processor cooling fan this model, you can see it's complete entire dust cleaning in and out. You can see the dust visible also, so much of dust in the laptop. Particular this model laptop batteries, keyboard, cooling fans, and this was the SSD. You can see the dust on the SSD, how much dust on the SSD. So if you are not done the general service within the 8 months time, so you will see like this. You can't see the complete details on the SSD. It's not visible. It's completely dust on that SSD. So my technician cleaning and dust. You can see after cleaning the dust some details invisible. Okay, yeah, and this was the SSD. Yeah, this was the Apple SSD. You must do general service within 8 to 12 months time. So the complete dust will be clean from the fans and heatsink, and heat sinks on processor will apply cooling heat sensor on that processor. And you can see this was the speakers. This is the one side, and another one is here with connector and fan. So Apple users, complete any brand, any model, we can do service, all types of service, like any replacement hardware, software. You can visit our stores in Madhapur and Secunderabad, and so particularly if the customer busy there with work, so we have a pickup service also available across the Hyderabad city. So please visit our stores if you have the time, and you can just submit your laptop. We'll diagnose the first what is the issues on your laptop, then we'll give you a proper quotation on that. If you accept the quotation, we can proceed our work. If you are denied the quotation, so we won't charge anything on your laptop. Visit our centers. And if you are looking for home service, yes, the home service would be different kind of things are there, the battery replacement, and mostly Apple it's a completely inside fixing. You can see the battery also inside, and SSD also inside on the board. So we have to open complete entire laptop, then only we can remove the parts. So very difficult to do an on-site, so better you can visit the service centers which is near to your location. So thank you for watching this video, and we happy to service your laptop. So please visit our centers, and we deal all Apple products, particular laptops. So we are sorry for the mobile users and other users. So Apple laptops, all models we do, and we have the genuine original parts with us. Thank you.